bino. And omudi jina yempeni for ne so no omudi control mo. Ti oka se da no wada. Like how on earth say ye di emfie aduonu mu yi no. President or chairman of the ECOWAS na okohe omampeni kura Tinubu.
Nigeria mampeni.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Wow, follow news. No one say Ghana has been selected to host the 50th anniversary launch of ECOWAS. Now, good news. Say Ghana has been selected, and actually, it's something that we must all be proud of. It must actually put the right debate forward, so that next time more of these things will be brought to Ghana. But instead, no, unfortunately for us, we have some elements more NDC that are attacking ECOWAS and also attacking the leadership of ECOWAS. Now let me mention this to you. I don't care about what is happening in Nigeria in terms of who they decide to be their leader, because we don't know better. Ghana does not know better. If we knew better, we wouldn't go and vote for someone who has been president before to come and be government again. So I don't think any Ghanaian whatsoever has a right to point at Nigerians that you people went to vote for an old man. No, we do not have that right. Moreover, for NDC guys, communicators who have not achieved anything, beyond their families, okay, to be putting all of us into this argument, because we ECOWAS Nigeria, I can say Ghana need be, or say Ghana force that Tinubu ECOWAS is useless, that Burkina Faso alone is even more important than ECOWAS. Where NDC communicators so?
There be who share papa we ya ebusu apeni kwa wo de baba na wo fie.
Oh, sir, the man for whom said will be our Sefata, and ECOWAS could so moon source and a fata. And I'm a chairman, a man said,
oh, it's a very useless association. Very, very useless. As soon as fast
Sam
Bako Kra say, Bako. I was hot just on the paper to say, ye demand collection, maybe say, me social studies, not me church and quala. A useless association.
But almost so, and I'm not a crown, and I
said the Ghana Bar Association. It is a job bar. Useless association.
And I what some more raising flag. I just say, oh, of course, you're quite him. 50 years.
These things I would encourage. Say, one more say no, or mudimuntintimano. You see, I have one thing that I always let people reflect on. And I don't know, maybe he has a magic wand. Ebia, the only difference are a bit Timiama ECOWAS as a fan into my pefra Ayura Mahama.
Okay.
That's the only hope around now.
Because
now Munim Yansa now no kofa Tinubu so mayam penny ECOWAS penino. Omo who say Mahama Abano. Omo who say they have become very useless to the core say. And Mahama Obienu obe celebrate ECOWAS.
List too well. Any another guy be? I will cry FM. Please. So I've taken my time to educate you NDC folks. You see, sometimes, most of the time, we only see the finality of issues. We don't think or we don't care about process. That is why somebody will come and say, Akufo-Addo is a wicked person. Not knowing, say, even the right to demonstrate. Our Ghana constitution, Akufo-Addo. We don't care about history. But history is that important piece that will let us know if we are going the right direction or going the wrong direction. It is history. Many Ghanaians know Tinubu is just the president of Nigeria. They don't even know that Tinubu was once a governor of the state of Lagos. If not the most populated state in Nigeria. And that state of Lagos, the population is bigger than that of the whole Ghana. And in essence, Tinubu ruled or governed a state that is more populated than Ghana. So he could have been president of Ghana as at the time he was governor of the state of Lagos. You get it? So if you want to speak about people, especially when it comes to diplomacy, you don't say some of these damning things. Putting all of us at risk. In Sembi say, do you think the next time ECOWAS will want to organize something in Ghana? Forget it. Say ECOWAS organize bibi waha. Ye hotels na mbe use.
Akoye se kuni se obayare.
Yeah.
Na yese yem Pedro manenum. Ne do na ye pamana no. Anko ye dra ebetimi aboa ma ne yare na kwa ene wa ma na do no kura nkai
yeah
me hu ni se enye bibia ena ede sade we ba ye de ba nyina ya de ba ko
edi adia
o mai Africa no se yo kendifo ani eboa ye dada ya
Africa ni kendifo
David
nena omo de ya no say e president here
omo se
nemu
omo sa kendifo but omo nya kendifo
omo sa kendifo but omo nya kendifo adentia
omo se ewiase bibia
be mind kan kakama me
bibia e wodin bia no ne din no wona se kire
yeah
di kase president pese or preside the word
yeah o shebi bi so
eye o da bibia no
yeah
o da oman no ana say
o shebi bi a bia hye ne nsa
ana tutu ye no na hye ne nsa say of the 12 countries ECOWAS Moses say some of them are suspended.
Yeah, three. Niger, Mali.
One.
Other three. Niger, Mali, na Burkina Faso.
And one that.
Omo two more abanyogono.
Okay. Omo eso one faso ECOWAS.
Omo two more abanyogono.
388 billion times.
Really?
Yes.
Omo matching to you to
Burkina nkwa so one faso ECOWAS na ya kan bomu no.
Ibrahim Traore.
Yes, ne so one faso chain. All the ECOWAS states are yakan ho abomu no.
Adentia.
Because of the nyansa ye adwuma.
No makane.
Jimmy nkwa. Oh. Very first year the Jawa near the Aswa. Me hu ne say ECOWAS na so ni faso ma Africa. Yes, sub-region ha West Africa.
Jumedi omudi.
Ye musa say den na da omo so. You say economic
community of West African states.
What is the economy like in West Africa? What is the economy like? What were the main objectives are? And you can't say the main focus ana edintintimai ma yedi say din to yen so say ECOWAS no. The first word is about the economy of West Africa. Now, Adiani discuss it through pa nunti ye say yenke humum ne say e kwan be na ye betimi ayi barriers a e wo yen ye sub region ha no. Broni di amane di etirimu dem say me hu Burkina ni a wono nko na menso menko so ye bibifo. Enti no yenyi sa artificial barriers na e wo yen temo no free ho.
They will buy fuel from here for their cars. And all hosting and all those things come with special benefits. Na munde kosa semu kwa ababa kwa me winiti kosa sema she majumuma. Musora neba majumubia na mokika. Aden. Muden kra. What kind of nonsense is that? Let me read to you the achievement of Tinubu as a governor of the state of Lagos. So he was the governor of the state of Lagos from 1999 to I think 2007, there about almost 9 years, right? So this is from Naira land. Power. Tinubu's government in 2000 contracted AES to build an IPP that would generate 270 megawatt of electricity to Lagos residents in order to exit the irrational power supply being provided by the FG. The 270 megawatt is now part of our national grid. It is the first of its kind. Tinubu electrification project covered over 100 communities. In his first term, 53 rural communities were targeted. The projects were completed in Egan and the others is all mentioned there. 2. Decentralization. In order to bring governance closer to the people of Lagos State, Esiwaju created extra 36 LCDAs, I'm sure those are districts, led to the disagreement between Lagos and the OBJ-led federal government. Obasanjo-led federal government. They are still working till date. Nigeria needs someone who believes in this first of its kind economy. With over just 600 million naira when he took over, different initiatives which included the reorganization of the LIRS led to an unprecedented IGR of over 7 billion monthly over 8 years. The sustainability of which has brought same to 57 billion in 2022. Health. Decentralization of the Health Management Board led to the creation of LASAM and Ambulance Management Scheme, Hospital Services Commission, and Lagos State Health Facility Monitoring and Accreditation Agency. A lot. You see, so you don't sit in Ghana, Accra FM, and talk anyhow and drag all of us into it. You don't. And you people should learn. Sit down and learn. You don't learn NDC for This has been a political round with me, the voice right on Ghana 7TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.